Hey guys, welcome to question 211 of the Further Maths Fortify study guide. Now this question reads, 150 people buy milk from their town grocer each day. They have a choice of two brands of milk, Milkman and Ultra Creamy. The customer's choice of brand changes daily according to the transition diagram below. And then we're given a diagram that looks a lot like this one that I've drawn here. At least the main information is the same. So on a given day, 90 of these people bought Milkman milk, while the remaining 60 people bought Ultra Creamy milk. The number of people expected to buy each brand of milk the next day can be found by evaluating the matrix product, and then we have to select the correct matrix product. So I'm going to go through the process of figuring out what our matrix product might look like. So we're going to have a transition matrix and a state matrix of sorts. So we'll start with this state matrix to begin with. Now all of them are the same in our given answers. However, the way that we figure out what it is in the first place is when it says on a given day 90 of these people bought Milkman milk while the remaining 60 people bought Ultra Creamy. Well, that's where we're going to put in our 90 for Milkman and we're going to put in our 60 for Ultra Creamy. This is the transition matrix part, which is probably the trickier part of this. The main points behind understanding transition matrices is understanding that, for example, this position here in the top left is telling us the percentage of customers that are going to go from Milkman to Milkman. So they're going to buy the same thing. And we're shown in our diagram that the percentage of people who buy Milkman again is 65%. So we're going to put in 0.65, which is the decimal version of 65% there, which means that of the people who bought Milkman, 65% bought it again, which means that 35% have to have bought something different, and in this case, it's Ultra Creamy. So this position here tells us the people who are going to go from Milkman to Ultra Creamy. So that's what the this and next is all about. So we've got 0.35 here. In our next position, we're now looking at people who got Ultra Creamy and are now going to get Milkman. So we can see from our diagram up here, from Ultra Creamy to Milkman is 45% or 0.45. And the ones who went from Ultra Creamy to Ultra Creamy is going to be 55% or 0.55. Using these two, you should be able to figure out that the answer is E. If you guys have any questions, please drop them in the comments below. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.